Hello children. So again we are going to discuss today change in sentences. Okay. And today's topic is optative and exclamatory sentence. First we will study optative sentences. So optative sentences are those which express prayer, wish and blessings. Okay. So for better understanding, let us solve this example. We said to our teacher, good morning. So good morning, we know our children that we wish. Okay, it is giving us idea. This reported speech is giving us idea of wish. So indirect speech will be like this. We said to our teacher, so this said we are going to convert into wish. We wished our teacher good morning. Okay. Then my grandmother said to me, may God bless you. So here, may God bless you, it means here we are talking about prayer or blessing. Okay. So how we are going to convert it into indirect speech? My grandmother prayed. Okay. Grandmother prayed. This said we have converted into prayed. My mother prayed. That connector we have used here. So with that we will remove these commas. That, again, God will come first. That we have discussed so many times. God, then this may model is used here. We are going to change its form, or we are going to change tense. Okay, that is might. God might bless. This you we are going to change into me. So what is this you? This you is object of the reporting speech here. Okay. So my grandmother prayed that God might bless me. Now we come to the third example. She said to her friend, may you succeed in life. So again here we wish. Okay, we are. It is giving us idea that of wish. So this said we are going to convert into wished. She wished her friend, then we will use connector that. With that only we will remove these commas. Then again you, this pronoun we will put it here. What it will be? She. Okay, we are going to convert into she. Then this may we are going to write here after this pronoun, and we will change its tense, that is might. Okay, that she might succeed in life. So children, when in optative sentences, okay, the reported speech starts with may. Okay, so you have to be very careful while transforming it into indirect speech. We have to put the subject before this may. Okay, before this model. Children, why we have changed this may into might? Because reporting speech is in past tense. Okay, so that's why in reported speech, in indirect speech, we will change tense of this may. Okay, in past we are going to write it. Now we are going to study exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences express a statement of grief, sorrow, happiness, etc. Okay, so these are the examples of exclamatory sentences. Now children, first one example, he said, what a beautiful place it is. So, in exclamatory sentences, in reporting verb, we use word exclaimed. Okay, we instead of said, we use exclaimed, and after that we add which sudden statement or expression is used there in reported speech. Okay, as there is surprise in reported speech, so we are going to add here, he exclaimed with surprise. So let transform it into indirect speech. He exclaimed with surprise. Okay, so this said we have converted into exclaimed. He exclaimed with surprise. Now here we are going to use connector that, and after using that, these inverted commas will be removed. That it, this is will change into was. That it was this what we are going to change into very. It was a very beautiful place. Okay, so these exclamatory sentences we arrange or change into assertive while transforming them into indirect speech. Second example, we will transform. The judges said, what a brilliant performance it was. So here, this expresses that judges were really very happy and they remarked some good expressions. Okay, so how we are going to write? The judges exclaimed and remarked. Then again we are going to write connector. After that connector, these commas will be removed. That it is was. So we are going to use had been, as earlier we have discussed, that it had been very. This is what we have changed into very. That it had been very brilliant performance. Okay, now let us understand this third example by converting it into indirect speech. He said, alas, she lost her pet. So this expression is giving us idea of sorrow. From this third sentence into indirect speech, he exclaimed with sorrow. Then after this we are going to use connector that. These commas will be removed. Then she. Okay, and as this lost is simple past, so we are going to convert it into past perfect. Had lost her pet. This lost we have converted here into had lost. Okay, so this reported speech expressed idea of sorrow. Children, one more thing, that here it is again was. So whenever we have was, okay, past in reported speech, past continuous, we change into past perfect continuous, as it is used here, had been. Okay, so for today's video, this much only. Rest of the things we will discuss in coming video.